Well, good afternoon. It's Friday. Markets have just closed here on the 25th of May. And as we look at this market, a very active day for the cotton market, up quite a bit. The grain markets were also up, especially led by wheat. A little bit more optimism over coming to some terms with trade and working through some things that made the market nervous yesterday. Also, some of the weather forecasts are also a little bit constructive. We'll get into all that. Let's just go through and see the cotton. Up 171 in July cotton at 89.17, a high of 89.69, a low of 87.15. December cotton up 114 at 86.69, a high of 86.85, a low of 85.35. Let me stop now and say we have a 3-day weekend. This is traditionally one of the more volatile weekends or market periods as we look at West Texas and the chance of rain and what might happen when we come in here next week on Tuesday. The latest forecasts show little chance of rain, and the forecast as we look out over next week is extremely hot, 103, 105, 107 degrees in the Lubbock area with what looks like very little chance of rain. We could come in here on Tuesday and this market could jump again reacting to that. Here's the situation in cotton. This is a demand-driven market meeting a supply-driven market. That is potentially very explosive. The upside on this market in cotton, we've seen what can happen before in past years. This one has the potential to be a big bull market, even at these high levels. So we'll look at that first thing Tuesday morning and evaluate where we are and what the latest forecasts are. But the markets certainly have a chance to get up into the 90s. And longer term, if it stays hot and dry in Texas, we hear more reports of damage in other parts of the world that grow cotton. This market can go up a lot. So looking at soybeans, up 6.5 at 10.42 1/4, high of 10.44, low of 10.35.5. July corn up 2 at 4.06 1/4 with a high of 4.06.5, a low of 4.03 1/4. July wheat, here's the big move, up 14 1/4 at 5.44.5, a high of 5.44 3/4, a low of 5.28 1/4. Looking over at the screen, we've got crude oil down $2.89 a barrel. The talk about increasing production out of OPEC is what's doing that to the market. We've got dollar up 42, gold down $1, silver down 14 cents, and the Dow Jones down 72 points, so not a lot going on there. That's it. Make sure you join us first thing Tuesday morning, and we'll see what's going on in these markets. Have a good weekend.